projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled an automated ABC-based feature selection algorithm for classification models in an education application. So now coming to the introduction part. In the field of education, the importance of making informed decisions based on data has become increasingly vital. Educators and institutions now have the access to a wealth of educational data, but the difficulty lies in distilling valuable insights from this extensive data pool. This is where the automated ABC-based feature selection algorithm steps into the address of the challenge. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to tackle pressing issues and meet distinct requirements within the field of education. This algorithm strives to the improvement of the predictive precision. Its principal objective is to enhance the predictive precision of classification models applied in the education. Second, we have streamlined data handling. Educational datasets frequently consist of a multitude of attributes, some of which could be redundant or inconsequential. So now coming to the requirements part, here we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements part, Anaconda 3 is required and Visual Studio Community version is required. So now coming to the flow of project, where first we have importing the packages. In this module, necessary libraries and packages which are NumPy, Pandas for data manipulation, sklearn to facilitate machine learning, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization are important. Second, here we have exploring the data set. This step involves examining and understanding the dataset you are working with. You would typically look at the data structure, the type of variable, missing values, and basic statistics to gain insights into the data. Second, here we have data processing. This step involves preparing and cleaning the data for analysis. Pandas data frame, a popular data manipulation library, is likely used to perform tasks like handling missing data, transforming variables, and filtering groups. Then we have visualization using Seaborn and Matplotlib. Data visualization is essential for understanding the data. Seaborn and Matplotlib are used to create visual representations of the data, which can help identify patterns and relationships in the data. Then we have label processing. This step is concerned with handling the target labels or output variables in your dataset. It involves encoding categorical labels into numerical values or other label-related tasks. Then we have feature selection. Feature selection is the process of choosing the most relevant variables for modeling training. Different methods like A to BCF, ABC with KNN, PSO and ABC are mentioned. These are the techniques for reducing the number of features in the dataset while retaining the most important ones. Second, here we have data splitting to train and test. The dataset is typically split into two subsets, a training set for building the model and a testing set for evaluating its performance. This is crucial for assessing how well the model generalizes to new unseen data. Building the model. Different machine learning algorithms are employed in this step. Support vector classifier, random forest, XGBoost classifier, and a voting classifier are mentioned. These algorithms are used to create predictive models. Next here we have training and building the model. This step is where the models are trained on the training data. They learn patterns and relationships within the data to make the predictions. Next here we have comparing the models with the original data with other feature models. This involves evaluating the performance of the models, comparing how well they perform with the original data and with different feature selection methods. Next here we have Flask framework with SQLite for sign up and sign in. This indicates the integration of a web application framework, that is Flask, with the database system, that is SQLite, for user management, especially for user registration and authentication, that is sign in. Next here we have importing the packages. Repeating the initial step to import the required libraries in the context of the web application. Then we have user gives input. Users interact with the application by providing input, which could be data for prediction or other user-specific information. Then we have the given input is pre-processed for prediction. Input data from users is processed and transformed so that it can be fed into the machine learning models for the prediction. Then we have trained model is used for prediction. The pre-processed user input is used to make the predictions using the trained machine learning models. Last one, here we have final outcome is displayed through front end. The results of the predictions are displayed to the user through the web application's front end, providing them with the desired information or the insights. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as templates. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. Then next here we have the folder which is named as static. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap files. Then we have here .ipynb file, which is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs and outputs all in one place. It allows the users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. Next here we have app.py file, which likely contains the information related to front-end logic. It could include code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML template. Next we have signup.db file. This file appears to be the database file which is used to store the information. So now just click over here and copy the path. Open the Anaconda prompt. So here type the cd command followed by a space and just paste the path over here and now hit the enter button. Now type pythonapp.py and now just hit the enter button. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application link locally at the default address in port 5000 unless configured differently. So here you can see that the link has been posted over here with the port as 5000. So just copy this link and paste it into any of the browser. Here I am using Chrome. So just paste the link over here and now hit the enter button. Here you can see that this is the home page for an automated ABC based feature selection algorithm for the classification models in an education application. These are the services A, B, C, D, and N and machine learning. By entering your name, email ID, subject and message over here, you can send them the message. Here's a button for sign up. Just click on this button. This is the register account form. Enter your full name, number, email ID and password over here for doing registration. I have already done the registration, so I am clicking on sign in button. Just enter the username and the password over here which you have created while doing registration, and now simply click on register button. Click on OK, and here by scrolling down below here you can see that this is showing the student performance. So enter the school, age, address, the family size, parent cohabitation status, mother's education, father's education, travel time, study time, failures educational support, family education support, and paid extracurricular activities, attended nursery, higher education, internet in home as 5, romantic relationship as 5, quality of family relation 5, free time after school 5, going out with friends 5, working alcohol consumption, weekend alcohol consumption, current health status, number of school absence, first period grade, second period grade, final grade. So after entering all of the details over here, now simply click on predict button to get the student performance. So by scrolling down below, it is showing the student performance level is excellent. So depending upon the parameters you are providing over there, it will detect the student level whether it is excellent or not. Here you can see that there is a button for about. Just click on this button, and here you can see that there are many different graphs. There we have used many different algorithms, and based on these algorithms we have got the precision, accuracy score, F1 score, recall and accuracy over here. Here you can see that there is a button for sign out. Just simply clicking on this button you can successfully log out with this. So now coming back to the conclusion part. To sum up, the automated ABC based feature selection algorithm signifies a notable advancement in the education sector. By automating the feature selection process, this algorithm streamlines the typically intricate task, resulting in more efficient data processing in education. This innovation's influences goes beyond mere data analysis. It has the potential to transform the operations of educational institutions and enhance outcomes for students and educators alike. So here we have completed with our project. Thank you.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.